Okay. Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about Windows container, how we can go and create our own application container using Windows Server Core. Okay. So we will be using the Docker file concept, same like Linux. But in this example, we are going to create a basic server core, uh, basic image using the Windows Server Core. Okay. So what I am going to do is I'm using three instruction set here. One is from, second is run, third is CMD. Okay. So what is from instruction is doing it? From instruction says that okay, which base image or parent image you want to use it. Here you can see I am using Windows Server Core image. Then I am telling that okay, just whenever this server core image comes up, it should use the shell PowerShell prompt. That is the second thing. Third, I am installing the Node.js module here, basically copying the Node.js zip file and expanding it, that one. And then whenever someone wants to run that particular image in the form of container, the prompt by default it will open the CMD prompt. This example we are not enabling or copying any source code there. It's just a basic understanding how you can create the image in case of Windows container and how you can publish it out. So let's do this example. I'm opening it out my PowerShell environment, which I'm using it. Let me open it and I'll just go here, desktop and CD Docker Labs mkdir test cd test, and here I just open the notepad file, copy this contents. Okay, I hope everyone is aware what is the difference between run and CMD. Run is going to create a image layer. So whenever you are going to assemble the new image using the docker build command, run instruction will execute during the building process of it. CMD instruction will only execute when you are running the image in form of containers. Okay, let me copy these things. And by default, I am giving the name Docker file only for our understanding. Save as. Okay, and I will be storing same way, same place, desktop, Docker Labs, and inside that I have created a test folder. I am going to store it here, and I am giving the default name Docker file. Okay, for now I am giving the default name. Later on, I'll just show you if I give some other name other than Docker file, how I can use -f flag. Okay, I store this file. Now I'll go to the PowerShell and show you how you can use it. This is PowerShell environment. I just do the dir. You can see that text file, it is coming in the txt format. So if it's coming in the txt format, you need to do the rename item docker txt. You need to remove this txt extension. Otherwise, it will give the error message. Now I run the command docker build. -t is for the tagging purpose, the repository address followed by the uh, the versioning or tagging which you have given it, you can give that thing. Currently I'm just doing it for node.js app. I just give node.js app. This is the thing I am giving it, and I just put dot because the default name I have used docker file, so it will automatically identify. In case if you are not giving the file name docker file, you can use -f flag and provide the name. Okay, so I'll just put dot here and let it assemble it. It is assembling the image. You can see first it is uh, down pulling the server core image, then it is adding this PowerShell thing. Now it is invoking the run command. In the run command, it is downloading the node.js zip file and expanding it out. And once it's done it, then it will uh, provide me the new image. Okay, let it finish it. By the time I'm just pausing the video. Okay, now the image is ready. You can see the 4 steps were there: from, then shall, then run, and the CMD. Okay, so the Node.js app latest is there. Now you can go and check it out your hub. See that, okay, what is the namespace name? That is Amit OW. So I need to retag the image. Docker image tag, source is Node.js app. I just do Amit OW followed by Node.js app. Okay, Node. If I want to publish to the Docker registry, then I need to do that thing. The reference is not right. Okay, so image tag is done. Now I just say Docker push uh, Amit OW Node.js. Okay, first I need to do the Docker login before I proceed it and do that thing. Docker login, because I already did it on that system. It is just prompting me for the username and password. I just give the username and password, and now incorrect. So login is successful. Now I can go and do the Docker push Amit OW and Node.js app. Okay, and now you can see that is pushing it out. And once it's pushed, you will be able to see the image here. So this is the way you can assemble your own image in the Windows container form, and you can publish or distribute your image using the Docker registry. Once it's done, you can see my image will be available there. It will take time. Okay, and after that it will be, your image will be visible here. Thank you everyone. Let's connect to the next session, and there we will discuss the full-fledged app.